Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Hamster Kombat, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Hamster Kombat in Google. So once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on in the screen, so you need to tap or click on that link. And now you'll be redirected to the official page of the Hamster Kombat game, and you can also see there is a play now button at the bottom of this page, so you need to tap on that play now. And once you do that, make sure you have an account in Telegram, and you have Telegram as well. So now you can see Hamster Kombat section, and you can also see there is a start button at the bottom of this section. So once you tap on the start, you'll be able to see there is a 3 options in here: play in 1 click, subscribe to the channel, and last one is how to earn from the game. So you can choose any of them according to your preference. You can also tap on the play in 1 click, but to start from the scratch, you can see there is a play button at the bottom left corner of this section. So once you tap on the play, you will be able to access it successfully. So once you do that, you can see you need to complete all the formalities. So let me complete this. First you need to tap on the next. So once you complete all the things, you can see there is a play button. So once you tap on it, you will be able to receive $100 coin. Let's tap on the button here because it is saying click here. So once you tap on it, now you can see you'll be able to play your Hamster Kombat in here successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can play Hamster Kombat, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.